In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize a paragraph using ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to feed in your material, set clear instructions, and get a polished, concise summary that fits your needs. First, gather the material you want to summarize. You can paste the text directly into the chat or, if your interface supports it, upload a PDF that contains the paragraph. Keep it focused. If you only need one paragraph summarized, highlight or paste just that section so the request stays clear. If the paragraph sits inside a larger document, you can mention which paragraph you want to target. A quick note before you proceed. Make sure you have permission to use the content you're sharing. Next, tell ChatGPT to use your text as the source material. A simple way to do this is to introduce your content with a line like, "Use the following as source material," and then paste the paragraph. You can add clarifying context such as, "Focus only on this paragraph," or "Ignore any unrelated content." If you uploaded a PDF, you can say, "Use the attached PDF as source material and summarize the highlighted paragraph," or specify the location, like the first paragraph on a certain page. Once the source is in place, ask ChatGPT to summarize the paragraph. Keep your request plain and direct, such as, "Please summarize the paragraph." To make the result fit your purpose better, add a few prompt details. For example, you might say, "Be concise and professional," or set a length target like, "Keep it to 2 or 3 sentences." You can guide tone and style too. Use plain language for a general audience, or maintain a formal tone suitable for a report. If formatting matters, mention it. No bullet points, or one coherent paragraph. If the summary isn't quite right on the first try, refine it with quick follow-ups. You might say, "Include the main finding and the key data point." Preserve technical terms, or simplify jargon while keeping the original meaning. You can ask for alternatives as well. Provide a shorter version, or offer a more detailed version while staying concise. These small adjustments help align the summary with your exact goal without changing the core task. And that's it. Paste or upload your material, tell ChatGPT to use it as the source, then ask for a summary tailored to your tone, length, and audience. When you're happy with the result, copy the summary and you're ready to share it, study it, or include it in your work.